Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you solve Govo app banned account. If you're having an issue with the Govo app banned, then you could follow these steps. Now, sometimes the temporary ban can lift up after 30 days, or it might take a couple of hours, maybe 24 to 48 hours, and it can be lift up. So till then, you could just wait patiently until it is resolved. Now, likewise, if that issue does not work out, then what you could do is you could also try updating your application. Sometimes a simple update can fix the issue. So go to Play Store and on the search box type in Govo. When you type in Govo, check whether the application needs to be updated or not. After updating, try login, see whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, you want to go ahead and make sure to clear cache as well as data. For that, you want to long press the application, go to app info, after which you want to go to storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Since then click on clear storage as well. However, it's going to delete your data, but it will be able to fix the issue sometimes. Now after which you could go ahead and check whether the issue has been solved or not. Still you're facing such issue, then you could try uninstalling the application or reinstalling the application, and at the same time restart your device. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. In spite of doing all of these methods, you're still unable to fix it, then you need to appeal the decision by contacting Govo support through the courier app, or you could just go to the website, that is open up a browser, and on the search box you want to type in Govo support. When you type in that, you'll be able to find govo.com. how can we help? Go and press the link, and here you could go ahead and let them know about it, and they'll look into your matter. So that's the way you could go ahead and fix and solve Govo app banned. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.